Hello and welcome to the Kingtuts tutorials. So to get started, you're going to want to download a program called Putty. If you don't know what this program is, don't worry, I've included links in the description of this video. So once you have that downloaded, let's get started. So you're going to have $15 either on PayPal or debit card or credit card. You'll be getting this package right here, 15 gigabytes RAD protected. It's $15 for a year. Once you get this, when you are checking out, please make sure that you select Ubuntu 12.04 32-bit or 86X. So let's go ahead and get started. Once you have your server, you'll be emailed details to access the server. This includes your IP address and your password. Once you get this email, you're going to access Putty. Type your IP in here. Port is going to be 22, and the connection type is going to be SSH. Once connected, it will ask you for a login. You'll put in root, and the password is whatever password you selected. Once you have access, you're going to start typing commands. Each one of these commands has to be individually entered from 1 to 7, or excuse me, from 1 to 8. All these commands will be verbally told, and they also will be in the description of this video. So to start off, this one will get your program. Number 1 will get your program. Number 2 will unrar that program in the current directory. Then you're going to make a new user, which is going to be Teamspeak 3. Login will be disabled on this. Then you're going to move the Teamspeak to a different directory. It will be located in user local Teamspeak 3 for future reference. Please take note of that. If you ever plan on modifying Teamspeak or updating it, you'll need to know that directory. It's already been created because I've already done this tutorial before. Now what you're going to do is you're going to shmod it. This is going to set the permissions concurrently so you can access them, or so the operating system can use them. And that is number 5. Number 6 is going to make a service out of the Teamspeak. So once the VPS is restarted or turned off and then turned back on, it will start the Teamspeak automatically, which is definitely something you want because you don't want to be sitting there waiting for it to restart. The command that I just typed is number 7, and that will update all the default service information. And that will only take a few seconds. And then the next command will start the server. Now, if you take the same command and put stop at the end, it will stop your server. That's for future reference. And you can also do status. Oops. I don't have it running under the service right now, so anyway, that is how you install the Teamspeak server. Once all this information is done and you start the Teamspeak server, it should show you a information based on what's on the Teamspeak at the moment. So it will give you the server admin key, and it will also give you the all the information, and you'll want to copy this and save this because you'll need it later on. Now once your Teamspeak server is set up and you're in it, you're good to go. Now if for some reason the Teamspeak server does not allow you to connect and you do not see it up, if you look farther down on the details of this video, you'll see if you're running IPTables, see below. And you'll want to input all those rules into your IPTables. It's very, very simple. If you want, I can make a tutorial on it if you guys don't understand, or you can ask in the comments and I'll explain. Now I also want to inform you guys that with this current method, you can only run a 32-slot Teamspeak. If you guys would like to, I've included a link at the very bottom of this video to apply for a non-profit license. A nonprofit license allows you to run 512 slots on one server, or 10 servers with a 512 slot global maximum allowed slots, which is very nice if you have a very large community and need a Teamspeak forum. But remember, nonprofit license is exactly what it means. You cannot profit off of the license or the hosting. Anyway, that was the first tutorial from Kingtuts. I hope you enjoyed. Please comment, subscribe, and like this video.